And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be a Krishna inspired makeup tutorial. In this video I'll be dressing up just like Krishna and doing my makeup just like Krishna, and it's like a special video for Krishna Janmashtami. So those who are watching this video, a very happy Krishna Janmashtami to all of you guys, and the Krishna Janmashtami vlog will be up very soon on my channel, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quicker updates. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So I'll first clip my bangs away and then come back. So I'll be first using some moisturizer on my face. So I'm done with the moisturizer. Now I'll be using this Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer. Now as we are going to be using paint, like a blue colored paint in today's video, we are going to be using a lot of this primer just to secure my face. So I'm taking a little more amount than I usually would, and I'll be applying this. So I have kept a laptop over here in which I have opened up a Krishna's picture. So I'll be popping that image over there, from which I got the inspiration to do this makeup tutorial. So now I'm going to be starting off by painting my face. So basically I'll be using this Fevicryl acrylic paint in the shade Sky Blue 63. So I'll be using this one to paint my face, and I'll be using this normal paintbrush to apply the paint all over my face. So now let us start painting my face. The color is so perfect. I love the color. So I'll So I'm done painting my face. Now I'm gonna be painting my neck and then my ears and then come back very soon. So I'm done painting my ears and face. I don't know how it's looking, but I can't talk too much. I can't open my mouth too much because once the paint is dry, it makes your skin tight. So I can't talk too much. So let's move on to the eye makeup. So I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows using the dark brown bronzer which I usually use to do my eyebrows, and with this flat shader brush. So I'm taking the reference of the picture. So the eyebrows of the Krishna in the picture is really round. So I'm trying to make the same. So I'm done doing my eyebrows. I need to add a little bit of finishing touches, but I'll do it later on. So now I think I should move on to my eye makeup. So if you see in the picture, Krishna has like a really dramatic eyeliner with a little bit smoky eye look in the picture. So I'm gonna try to do the same. So I'll be using the You Can Be Spotlight eyeshadow palette for doing that. So I'll be using this palette. You can see there are so many gorgeous shades of blue over here, so I can create a really beautiful look with this. So let's get started. These are the three shimmer shades we have, and I really want to use shimmer shades because it's gonna pop up more, right? So I'll be choosing one of these. I think I'll be going with the third one because I guess it would match the third one. I'll mix both the second one and third one and then do. So in order to make the blue shade pop up more, so I'll be using this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer over my eyes. So I'm using this just a little bit and right on my eyelids, and I'll be blending this. So I'm using this round fluffy brush to blend the concealer. So I'm basically using this flat shader brush to apply the blue shadow, and I'll be using this shadow over here as my first shadow. So I'll be starting off. So I don't want to use the black directly, so I'll be mixing this dark blue shade and black together, and I'll be using both of them as to create like a dark brown smoky eye look. So yeah. So I'm gonna do the same to this eye as well. And okay, I'm done with my eye makeup. Now let's apply eyeliner. I'm going to be using this Miss Ads eyeliner. So I'm going to be applying the eyeliner. Applying the eyeliner, I've created like a winged liner just as in the picture. Now I need to do my lower lash line. For that I'll be using this Plum Natural Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. This is like a very jet black kajal, and in the lower lash line of the picture, it's like in the Krishna's picture, it's like basic kajal, so I'm going to be using that only. So So I'm done applying the kajal also. Now let's finish the rest of the eye makeup using like a small paintbrush and a paint. I'm going to like fill the gaps with the blue paint. I'm using this normal paintbrush which I use to apply concealer. So I'll be using this and I'll be applying the paint. So I'm done doing the finishing touches, like I filled out all the gaps and everything, so my eye makeup is pretty much done. But now I need to use like a mascara or like an eyelash, so let's figure it out. So I think eyelashes is necessary, so I'm gonna quickly go off camera and then apply my eyelashes and then come back. So I'm done applying the eyelashes. You can see it's still drying. So I think let's move on to lipstick part, because I think it's the final step. So I'm done with my makeup now. I need to just put my costume, my jewelry and also my bindi and stuff. So I'll do that and then I'll quickly meet you guys.
हृदय में आज इच्छा होती है और यदि पूर्ण नहीं हो पाती तो हृदय भविष्य की योजना बनाता है। भविष्य में इच्छा पूर्ण होगी ऐसी कल्पना करता रहता है, किंतु जीवन ना तो भविष्य में है ना अतीत में। जीवन तो इस क्षण का नाम है।
जीवन में समय चाहे जैसा भी हो, अपनों का साथ बड़ा आवश्यक होता है। सुख हो तो बढ़ जाता है, दुख हो तो बढ़ जाता है। अपनों के साथ समय कब बीत जाता है पता भी नहीं चलता, है ना? किंतु सोचिए, यदि आपको किसी ऐसे स्थान पे छोड़ दिया जाए जहां आपका कोई संबंधी ना हो, आपका कोई अपना ना, कोई मित्र ना, तो क्या हो? एक एक क्षण कितना लंबा लगने लगेगा। तब तक लगेगा जब तक आप किसी को अपना नहीं बनाते। अब प्रश्न ये उठता है कि आपका अपना कौन है? वो संबंधी जिनके साथ आप रक्त से जुड़े, या वो मित्र जिनके साथ आप बालपन से पले बढ़े, या वो सहकर्मी जिनके साथ आप काम करते हैं? नहीं, अपना वो जो विपत्ति में काम आए। अपनों की परख समय की कसौटी पर की जाती है। स्मरण रखिएगा, अपनों के साथ समय का पता नहीं चलता, किंतु समय के साथ अपनों का पता अवश्य चलता है। तो प्रेम से बोलो, राधे राधे।